everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a video that I've been trying to put up for like a few weeks now, but I've just kind of, I don't know, I get into these really horrible funks where I can't film to save my life. I can't do it. I can't like just sit here and talk about makeup and be all happy. It's really difficult, and yeah, like I said, I've been trying to film this video for a while now, and it's super late and I'm really sad about it, but I thought, what the heck, I'm still gonna film it and I still want to talk about this. So I'm gonna share with you guys this collection by Colourpop, and I have it all in here, and I believe this is called the Whatever collection. Also, with that being said, I'm lately buying all of the Colourpop makeup collections because I want to make videos on them, and I ended up ordering the last collection that came out, which was the something about feathers, or like peony I think it was called, I don't know, but that never came in. So I'm dealing with that with Colourpop because I had ordered the whole entire collection and I just never received it, so I'm really upset about that. Yeah, but anyways, I think that's another reason why I didn't want to film this video, because I was just so down about my other collection. But anyways, alright you guys, so this collection consists of an eyeshadow palette, and right now I'm actually so in love with this palette. It's what I'm wearing on my eyes today, and most of the time, if you guys see me on like Instagram and here on YouTube for the past few weeks, I think I've been using this. I love it so much. I feel like it's a product, like if I were to come up with my own makeup collection, this would be the aesthetic for it. I just love the color, I love the roses, I love how it says whatever. Everything about it is just really me, so I'm really feeling this collection. I love it. These are the colors that you get. You get 12 colors in total. I would say my favorite ones are around this area. I just love these. I love this deep one as well. They're all super gorgeous. I'll go ahead and swatch them. So here you have it. It's so nice and pigmented. Really like them. Very buttery. I love how they swatch on the skin and also on your eyes. Oh, look at that color. That color is just beautiful. So nice. This other row is also very pretty. I just love this palette because it's really kind of up my alley. This is all shades that I would wear on an everyday basis. This is a pressed glitter. I know a lot of people are not the biggest fans of pressed glitter. I know in my Disney collection video I mentioned how I'm completely fine with pigment or glitter pigment on my eyes, and someone like went after me on that. Oh my god, these are so pretty. Like, look how gorgeous that is. I love how pigmented Colourpop eyeshadows are. They're so nice, and look at that pressed glitter. It's gorgeous. Yeah, so like I was saying, I had mentioned that I didn't really care about the pressed glitter, and someone came after me talking about they were just mean. No, they weren't mean, but they were being informative, I guess, and I totally get what she was saying. She said that it was dangerous for it to be like around your eyes because you could like permanently damage something, your cornea, I think she said, and you could like go blind. I think that's what she told me, which freaked me out at first, but I went ahead and I did some research, and I mean, it's not the best thing to do, like wear glitter on your eyes, but so many people do it, and it's kind of like, I don't know, just use it at your own risk. So these are the shadows, the last 4 eyeshadows, and again, you guys can see how nice and pigmented these are. They're beautiful. I don't think there's one color in this palette that I wouldn't use. Maybe Pink Slip would be the only color that I wouldn't really use, but actually I have it in my crease today. Or do I? No, I don't. I have Copycat, sorry. So yeah, Pink Slip would be the one that I wouldn't wear that much, just because it's more of a gray toned color, and I'm usually not a huge fan of that. I feel like my tone of color for my skin. It's more of a warm tone. So yeah, but the palette is amazing. I have been using it all the time, and I am going to be doing a tutorial using it. It's probably going to be the next video, so look out for that. Alright, now they also came out with this set. I'm sorry, I don't know where the box is. Like I've said, I've had these products for a long time now, and I lost the box for this. But I think they came in a pack together, and it is basically a mascara. It says it is a volumizing mascara. The reason that I really got this was because it's a colored mascara, and it's supposed to look kind of burgundy on your eyes. I have used it. I can say that it's not volumizing at all. It's super dry. I don't like it at all. I wouldn't recommend it. The color is cool, but if you put it on your upper lashes, you can't really see it. You can only see it on your lower lashes, which is the only way that I truly use it. It's just on my lower lashes, but I don't think the mascara is worth it. I don't think it's good. Like I said, it's super, super drying, and just it doesn't do anything for your lashes. And that being said, I have like really good lashes. Any mascara kind of works on me, and that one just didn't. So I would say stay away from that, unless again you want to use it on your lower lashes, then that's fine. And I don't know if you guys can tell, and that is sort of a very awkward swatch of the mascara. So as you can see, it is nice and pigmented, but it doesn't come out like that on your lashes. I don't think it's not the best. And then we have an eyeliner, and this is in the shade, what is this called? Joyride. I think they're all called Joyride, and I really like it. It's kind of like a reddish, purplish shade. I really like it. I love not having to use black on my waterline, so this is awesome. I like it. I do recommend it. And then we also have a gel cream eyeliner, again in the shade Joyride, and really love this color as well. I'm really excited to do a tutorial using this. I need to get more into doing makeup tutorials, but I don't know, I feel like I'm not like confident enough. I don't know, you guys tell me down below if I should do more makeup tutorials. Alright, so now we're gonna get into the blushes. So it came out with 6 blushes, and I think this is the one thing that I was most excited about, because they also came out with 6 lip glosses, which I do have, but we're going to talk about that in a little bit. Let me just not get ahead of myself. Let's go into the blushes. So these are all of the blushes. Again, really cute packaging. They come with 6, and these are called the Super Shock Blush. I have all 6. I can't. Let me see if I can do this. I have all 6 of them right here, and I've never tried a Colourpop blush before. I had never tried it, and I was really excited to try them out in this collection, and I have to say I am floored by them. I love them, especially the texture. I never in a million years thought that this would be the texture of them, but I love them. So let me go ahead and start off with my favorite one, which is the one that I'm wearing right now, and this is called Underclassmen. I wear this pretty much on a daily basis. I love it. I think it looks great. Like I said, this whole collection is just completely up my alley. I love all the colors. It would be something, like I'm telling you guys, if I had my own makeup collection, this would be it right here. And this is the shade for this blush. And I love how smooth and creamy these blushes are. Like, they are just amazing, you guys. Like, look at that shade. Oh my god, that is gorgeous. That is so beautiful. And again, they're not a powder, but they're not a cream either. They're just kind of, I think they're in the middle of being a cream blush and being a powder blush. They're the perfect in between. It's not way too creamy where it's sliding off, and it's not powdery. It's just amazing. I have really dry skin, so a product like this just does wonders on my skin. I love it. It keeps me looking really kind of glowing and hydrated. I'm just really in love with these blushes. So if you guys haven't tried these Super Shock blushes by Colourpop, I definitely recommend them. And again, from this whole collection, my favorite one is Underclassmen. And by the way, I think the Underclassmen blush is my favorite because it's kind of a mix between a really good neutral pink and like a really warm, nice, neutral shade, and I just love that. And I just kind of wanted to make sure, like, tell you guys why I love it. I just think it looks very natural. And my next favorite one is called She's in Bold, and this is definitely more of a pinkier shade, I would say. Again, they're all with the same texture, and this is just more of a pink, a little bit more pigmented, I would say. Darker for sure. That's what it looks like. Looks like on my finger. Oh, I love it. I wish you guys could feel how nice and like buttery these shades are. They're gorgeous. And again, this is more of a pink. Well, no, yeah, it looks more of a pink. I really like it though. And alright, so now we're gonna go into this one, which is called Drop of a Hat. And this, I can tell, has a little bit of shimmer. I think I've used it once. I'm not sure. This is gorgeous. Oh, you guys, this is so freaking pretty. Look how pretty that is. Can you guys tell? Can you guys catch the shimmer of it? It is beyond amazing. I love it. And here is a swatch of it. It's so gorgeous, you guys. I love it. This is more of a coral. You know what it reminds me of? Orgasm by NARS. So if you guys are familiar with that blush, just imagine that blush in like a creamier formula. Definitely reminds me of that, and I used to love Orgasm, so I don't know, I feel like Orgasm isn't as loved anymore, right? Alright, next up we have Things for the Moors? Things for the Moors? Okay, I don't know what this is called, sorry. And this is more of a, I don't know. Let me look at it. Because I have no idea. More of a pink, I would say. I don't know, what does that look for you guys? Can you guys tell? That's definitely kind of like a truer pink, right? Oh yeah, definitely. Okay, this is like a true pink. I actually really like that. Because it's a true pink, but it's kind of on the warm side. I feel like all of these shades are on the warm side. I feel like that's why they're so good for me, because I just love that. Alright, the next two colors that we have are more on the deeper side. This is called Overdramatic, and I haven't tried these two. Like I said, they're a little bit darker. This is more of like a dark pink. I don't know what I would call it, like a dark neutral shade. It kind of has a little bit of a purple undertone, I feel. Oh, I love this shade. Okay, so this is more similar to the first shade that I swatched. My favorite one, the Underclassmen. This is definitely more of a neutral. Love it. This is something that I need to pull out. I need to pull out and make sure I use more of that, because I need to put Underclassmen away for a little bit. Alright, and the last one is Too Cool for School. This one is a little bit of a dark tone. I don't know how well this is going to show up on my skin tone. I feel like it's too dark, but we'll see. I mean, I don't know. It feels like more of a bronzer, to be honest. But let's try it out. Yeah, this is really dark. I don't think this would look good on me. I mean, maybe it would. Oh, no, actually, I think it would look awesome. Ooh, I really like that shade. That's such a pretty shade. I love that. Oh my god, you guys. So I even just surprised myself. This is going to be so nice. And this is a matte color. Ooh, I really like this shade. Super excited about this. Okay. So those are all the blushes, you guys. Like I said, I'm so happy with them. I love this whole entire collection. Alright, you guys. So last but not least, we're going to be talking about the lip products in this collection. Now, when I was first placing my order, I wasn't really that happy, to be honest, because they were all lip glosses, and I hated lip glosses. I hated them with a passion. I think I have not worn a lip gloss in, I think, about 2 or 3 years. I was just completely over lip glosses. I was just into matte liquid lipsticks. That's all I would wear. And when I saw the collection only came with lip glosses, I was really bummed. But to my surprise, you guys, I'm now addicted to lip gloss. Like, I wear it every single day. I haven't worn a matte lip in like since I received this collection. So super excited about it. I'll start with the one I'm wearing right now. I guess they come with 6. Right now I have Lesson Learned on my lips, and this is more of just a nude lip gloss, but they're so nice and pigmented. All I really do is put a little bit of lip liner around my lips just to kind of shape them a little bit, and then I'll just apply the lip gloss, and it's amazing. It doesn't need a base or anything. The color is just awesome, and I love them. How can I okay, I'll swatch them like right there. Oh, that is so pretty. Can you guys tell? So that's what I'm wearing. This is, I think this is the most nude out of all of them. It's so gorgeous, you guys. I love them. I love how, like I said, how pigmented and opaque they are, and they're very, very long wearing, and I love it. I think the only thing that I hate about lip gloss is always being careful with the wind. I think that's why I stopped wearing lip gloss, but I just love these so much that I've dealt with it, and I'm completely okay with it. Alright, next one we have Me Versus the World. Right? I think that's what it's called. And let's see. Okay, so is this the darkest one? I think this might be the darkest one, but I'm not sure. I think it is though. And this, yep, it's just a chocolatey brown. And you guys know that I love my chocolate browns. And yes, I've used all of these glosses. I've been wearing them non-stop. They're so nice. I love how thick and shiny and like glossy they are. They're called the Ultra Glossy Lip, and so true, you guys. So true, because they're so glossy. It's just awesome. Alright, next one is Attention Haul, which I love that name of it. And oh, this is the nudist one. Okay, I have worn this one though. I will say I have worn it, but this is more of a pink nude. Beautiful though. Oh, so pretty. I love these shades. I think they were literally made for me. So that's it right there. It's more of a pink nude, which is the nudest shade out of all of them, and it's gorgeous. Alright, next up we have Space Maker. And this is, oh, it's also kind of a pinky nude. Okay. This is more of a bright pinkier nude. It's like a more corally pinky nude. I feel like the other one that we swatched has more of a gray undertone, and this has more of like a pink undertone, like a super pink undertone. Can you guys tell? Yeah. Alright, we got 2 more to swatch. We are going in with Crushin', which I think this is one of the shades that I love. Yes. It's also a kind of really nice pinky, purpley color. Reminds me of Truffle by Dose of Colors, and I love that shade. So there you go. Love this. I love that shade. Such a nice sort of mauve-y color. Yeah, that's what I would describe it as, a mauve-y color, and I really like it. The next shade is called Are We Done? Yeah. And okay, this looks more of a nudish color. Yeah. Sort of similar to the one that I have on right now, but it has a little bit more of a pink nude tone right there. So those are all the shades. I love all of them, you guys. I've been completely obsessed with the lip glosses for the past month. I think I've had it for like a month. Have I had it for a month? I think I have. And I'm just completely in love with them. I'm so excited. I'm happy that I kind of like just opened myself up for lip glosses, because I was so closed off before, and now I feel like I found a whole world of lip gloss, and I'm so happy. Like I said, I'm wearing a lip gloss right now, and I've been wearing it for the past few weeks, and I feel really good in it. So alright, you guys, so we have reached the end of the video. I guess that apart from the mascara, you can tell that I completely love this collection. I think I'm just in love with it. Like I said, it's just me in makeup. Everything, I would have chosen it. I think it's awesome, and I love every single product again, except for the mascara. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Obviously, I recommend all the products. And yeah, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and give this video a like if you enjoyed it. And I'll see you guys on my next video.